Hi, I'm Bill Brown, owner of Paramount Heating and Air Conditioning here in New Albany, Ohio. You're invited to our Welcome to the HVAC Industry event in our new training facility on Tuesday evening, April 27th. The event starts at 6 p.m. and is 100% free to you. We will have food, prizes, and speakers. The speakers, including myself, are going to provide you with valuable information of what it is like to work in the HVAC industry, what types of jobs and career paths you can expect, and where you may fit best. So, click to register and get your free ticket to the event. Now don't miss it, it could just be your head start into your new career. I'll see you then.
Visit our website, ParamountAir.net, to register and learn more.